Imagine earning real money by just clicking trees in a game. That's exactly what the viral Cash Apples game claims. But can you actually earn money playing it, or is it just another time-wasting online game? So Cash Apples is a browser-based promotional game launched by Cash App, where players search for golden apples hidden behind virtual trees. Some of these apples can reward real cash, and the promotion reportedly includes $500,000 in total prizes distributed to players. There are a few interesting things about it. It's part of a limited-time promotional event, not just a random mobile game. Players can technically win up to $200 per day during the event. So yes, some players can actually receive small payouts, but there are major limitations. The rewards are random sweepstakes style prizes, not guaranteed income. The event only runs during specific hours and days, and many players online report server crashes, login problems, and difficulty even entering the game. One Reddit user said, "I've been trying to log in for nearly an hour." Others say they played for long periods and only earned a few dollars or nothing at all. So can you earn money with the Cash Apple game? Technically, yes, but it's more like a promotional sweepstakes than a real way to make money, and most players earn very little. The bottom line, Cash Apples isn't a scam, but it's not a reliable money making game either. At best, it's a short term promo where a few players win small rewards while most just play for fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.